Hey guys, it's Sam from Sam H Nails, and today we're following along to another Cristine video. Last week on the Follow Cristine video that I did, I asked you guys to leave me comments on what other tutorial you'd like to see me follow along to, and I had a ton of fantastic suggestions, but I was just drawn to this gradient reciprocal scaled mess that's beautiful, if that makes sense. It looked difficult. I wanted to try it. So starting off with Static Base Coat from Cuticula, I'm going to be going in with Glow Up from Twinkled Tea for a 1-coat white polish. Also, side note, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you prefer the hollow background or the black background. Inquiring minds want to know.
Good job. And now we're going to begin with the first of approximately 54 million gradients.
Hold the front door. Cristine did not top coat her white polish before she went for her first gradient, and it is making me nuts. I cannot believe that I am about to attempt this without top coating my white base. To make myself feel better about life, I went in with Strawberry Kiwi nail tape from Cuticula, and I'm hoping this eases my anxiety, but it really didn't. But following along to our tutorial, we are going to go in and dab, 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 and so we're gonna pause Cristine again here for a second, and I want to talk about why I always top coat. As you can see, the middle there is kind of splotchy, and the reason is no matter how dry you let your base polish get, you are re-wetting it when you are applying a gradient, and it will lift and take off the white polish onto the sponge, which is going to leave you making a ton more passes with the colors to make them opaque. Going back into following Cristine's tutorial, I did 5 to 6 different passes for this first coat to get it almost opaque. I still wasn't happy with it, but I was determined to follow Cristine. The next step in this is to add a glossy top coat. My file's corrupted. I am so sorry. So once that top coat dries, you are going to be going in with striping vinyls. Cristine used striping tape. I hate striping tape as far as using gradients and stuff just because it's not very sticky. So these vinyls are from Vinylicious, and then we are going in with our second gradient, and we are going to be dab, dab, dabbing for all of eternity to get all of this opaque. Using those light colors to cover dark colors is just difficult, to say the least. It's very difficult. So removing those vinyls and our nail tape, the only thing left to do is clean up and top coat. Again, I am using Cuticula. It is her quick drying top coat formula, and it is fabulous. It dries super fast. So once that is all dry, we are going to go in with another piece of striping vinyl from Vinylicious, and we are going to block off a portion of our gradient. This is where it starts to get a little bit confusing. You just want to have both colors peeking through on the top end of that vinyl, and then go in with a the very top portion of your sponge with the color on it. You are going to be doing the original gradient, so it's going to be light on top, dark on bottom, and you are just going to be dabbing until that is opaque. I also kind of decided to cheat the system here, and I took the lightest of the two purples, drew a line right by that nail vinyl, waited about a minute, minute and a half, and then I went back in with another pass of the gradient to smooth it out, but to make it opaque all at the same time. Remove your nail vinyls and your nail tape, and then add another layer of glossy top coat to be putting more nail vinyls on. This was also about the time that I realized that my colors weren't drastic enough, so I changed them, and you guys are gonna pretend like you see nothing. Nothing. You see nothing. There has been no change. Moving on, taking another piece of striping vinyl, we are going to segregate our nail even more, and then taking the smaller of the vinyls from the Vinylicious striping tape vinyls. Wow, how many times can you say vinyls? You need to line them up exactly the way that the first set of striping tape vinyls were lined up, or else it's going to throw your whole gradient. For our last go at it, you can see that I have cheated yet again. Don't judge me. That light purple was really, really hard to cover the dark purple, so I cheated. You can cheat too. I won't tell anybody. Just don't tell my secrets. So we're gonna dab, dab, dab until that is all blended into a nice gradient, and that light purple has covered the dark purple, and then we are taking off our last set of vinyls. Can I get a hallelujah? I will never do this nail art again. This literally took me a solid 4 hours to do. all of that is removed, go ahead and throw on your last coat of Cuquicula Quick Drying Top Coat, and you are done. So excited. But first, we are going to recap. I'm going to try to make this easier for you. First gradient, the lightest color on top, darkest color on the bottom. Gradient number dos, the darkest color on top, the lightest color on the bottom. Gradient number 3, the lightest color on top and the darkest on the bottom. And the last and final gradient in this step is dark on top, light on bottom. As you can see, you can use any color combination that you like. Let me know down in the comments which color combo was your favorite. Again, a massive shout out to Cristine. I hope I did her nails justice. Her YouTube will be linked in the description below. But other than that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.